Question 14, 1 cup costs £3 and 1 plate costs £5. Write down an expression for the total cost in pounds of X cups and Y plates. Before we go into the algebra, think about just the cost generally and build up the problem in your head and understand the numbers before going into the algebra. So let's look at the cost of 1 cup. If you had 1 cup, that would cost you £3 because it's £3 for 1 cup. If you had 2 cups, that would cost you £6. 3 times 2. 3 cups, 3 times 3. And if you had 4 cups, it would cost you £12 because that's £3 and there's 4 cups, 3 fours. So if you have X cups, i.e. you don't know the number of cups, if you had X cups, you would work it out to be, it's £3 multiplied by the number of cups you've got, 3 times X, which is 3X. Similarly then, with the cost of a plate. If you had 1 plate, that would cost £5, 5 ones, or 1 5. If you had 2 plates, that would cost £10, because that's going to be 2 5s. If you had 3 plates, 3 5s, and 4 plates, 4 5s. So hopefully that makes sense. Then, I think, well, we have, how many plates do we have in the question? We've got Y plates. If you have Y plates, that would be 5 times Y, which we would write as 5Y. So how many cups do we have? 3X. How many plates? 5Y. So altogether, you would write down you have 3X plus 5Y.